Metallic epoxy floors are becoming popular, and in this video, we show you how to apply a metallic epoxy floor from start to finish. If you're looking for a unique finish to your floor, our UDecor metallic additives are the way to go. We offer 13 different metallic additive colors. Plus, you can combine more than one color to create a more unique look. We recently coated one of our office areas using our UDecor metallic additive. Follow along to see how easy it is to achieve this unique look. First, if your floor has a previous coating on it, like ours did, you'll need to remove that in order to start with fresh concrete. Once the previous coating was removed, we applied our UClad LS, which is our high-build primer, to level out a low spot in one corner of the office and allowed to dry for 8 hours. Once dry, we applied the UCoat Bond Coat in Midnight Blue. Allow to dry for 4 to 6 hours. We then applied our UCoat Finish Coat, also in Midnight Blue, to ensure proper coverage. The finish coat only needs to dry for 4 to 6 hours, but we allowed it to dry overnight. The next morning, we applied our UClad Clear High Build Coat. And while still wet, we drizzled randomly our UDecor metallic additive in Alpine White and Graphite. To spread around the metallic additive, we used a squeegee to create a random pattern. This is the step where you will create your truly unique floor. To finish off your floor, you'll want to remove the harsh lines created by the squeegee. We used a roller and back rolled the floor. Allow your new floor to dry in as little as 8 hours. Besides the attractive looks, epoxy metallic floors are also known for their versatility. Some examples of where they can be applied are basements, showrooms, hotel lobbies, salons, garages, and of course offices. Given that there are a few different ways to apply a metallic floor, you will want to contact one of our coating specialists to ensure that you achieve the look you desire. If you have any questions, give us a call at 800-826-2848 or visit us at UCoatIt.com.